Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.